Wouldn't have it near us.
Oh.
That it would make our area.
No. You want me to let his tail?
Not
his head
yet.
is already gone.
1 second. זה עכשיו יתפשט בטח. טוב, זהו. רגע.
Look at this, the color.
Can't really see it in the film, but
What's in there?
I said there's a metal piece.
What's making it blue?
I guess that's plastic.
Oh.
Do you smell plastic? No.
No.
Not yet.
Really not so much smoke.
Maybe that's why the end is having a problem, because it has a lot of plastic in there.
No, plastic really burns really well actually. A lot of the tail has a lot of plastic in it.
The end has like, yeah,
Oh.
it's made out of plastic mostly.
It's burning very nice. In a minute I'll put it out.
Can you like burn the areas that are very full still?
Like what? Tail?
This area, and
You want me to put this further in?
that area.
Right here.
These two.
It's burning by itself. I don't have to do anything. Oh, you mean this over here?
Yeah.
Huh.
How about it's burning on your thing is burning.
Yeah. Somebody's angry.
I don't know.
Alright, need more water. I'll be right back. Alright?
Mm-hmm.